How to change app icon on Windows 11. The very first thing you want to do is to open the Start menu and then click on the gear icon to launch the Settings app. Head over to the Personalization tab and select Themes. Then scroll down to the Related Settings section and open Desktop Icon Settings. From here, select the desktop icon you wish to modify and then click on the Change Icon button. In the Change Icon window, select a new icon from the available options. Alternatively, you can also use the Browse button to locate any custom icons downloaded from a third-party website. Once you have selected, click on OK. Click on Apply followed by OK to save changes. Once you have clicked on Apply, the icon will be changed successfully. Well, you can repeat those steps to modify all the desktop icons. However, if you want to change the icon of a desktop shortcut, you will have to access its properties. Then only you will be able to change the icon. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to change the icon on Windows 11. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.